A slow or weak flush usually means a partial clog, trapped vent, low water level, or blocked siphon jets, and can almost always be fixed with basic tools and a bit of know-how. Start by checking and adjusting the water level in the tank so it sits at the marked refill line or about 1 inch below the top of the overflow tube. If the valve is slow to fill, clean or replace the fill valve following manufacturer instructions and shut off the water first. Use a flange or standard toilet plunger with firm, steady thrusts for 3 to 5 minutes to clear soft blockages and keep a tight seal around the outlet. If that fails, switch to a closet or toilet auger. Feed it gently into the trap while rotating the handle to break or retrieve stubborn obstructions. If water moves slowly but not completely blocked, remove excess water with a small bucket or cup so you can see and reach into the bowl. Then use a straightened wire coat hanger with a hooked tip or a small mirror to inspect and dislodge visible debris at the trap. Mineral buildup in the rim and siphon jets reduces flush force, so feel under the rim for deposits and clear them with an appropriate sized Allen wrench or the hooked coat hanger, working carefully to avoid chipping porcelain. Follow by pouring a liter of white vinegar or a diluted bleach solution into the tank while avoiding mixing chemicals, and let it sit for a few hours before flushing. Check the chain length between the flush lever and the flapper so there is slight slack but not so much that the flapper does not lift fully. Replace hardened or warped flappers with a new flapper matched to your toilet model. Finally, confirm the vent pipe on the roof is not blocked by debris or nests because a blocked vent slows drainage. If you are uncomfortable working on the roof, hire a professional. Homeowners often try too many chemical cleaners, which can damage seals and worsen buildup over time, so avoid repeated harsh treatments and use mechanical clearing first. People commonly leave the tank water level too low or set the chain too tight, which reduces flow, so adjust the fill height and chain slack to allow a full lift of the flapper. Another frequent problem is assuming the drain line or sewer is clear when the vent is blocked. If roof access is unsafe, call a plumber to inspect the vent rather than attempting risky roof work. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and post photos of projects and repairs. We help contractors find work by allowing them to list services and engage directly with potential clients through our site.